Welcome to my channel. Today, let's know more about Persian cat. The Persian cat is one of the oldest and most popular cat brands in the world. It is believed to have originated in Persia, modern-day Iran, and was introduced to Europe in the 1600s. Persian cats are easily recognized by their long, luxurious coat, round face, and flat nose, a feature known as brachycephalic face. Their large, expressive eyes and thick fur give them a royal and elegant appearance. Their average lifespan is around 12 to 17 years with proper care. Persian cats come in a wide variety of colors and patterns, including white, black, cream, and Himalayan. These cats are known for their calm, gentle, and quiet temperament. They prefer a peaceful environment and enjoy relaxing rather than being very active. Persian cats are affectionate with their owners but are usually not as playful or energetic as some other breeds. One of the most important aspects of owning a Persian cat is grooming. Their long fur requires daily brushing to prevent tangles and matting. They also need regular bathing and eye cleaning, and their flat face can cause tear staining. Persian cats are best suited as indoor cats because their thick coat and gentle nature make them less capable of handling outdoor dangers. They adapt well to apartment living and are ideal companions for people who prefer a quiet pet. In terms of health, Persian cats can be prone to certain issues such as breathing difficulties, eye problems, and polycystic kidney disease. Regular veterinary care is essential to keep them healthy. These cats are loved for their beauty, calm personality, and affectionate nature, making them one of the most admired and sought after cat breeds worldwide. These videos have been taken in the one and the only cat museum in India in Mysore. I hope you enjoyed watching Persian cats. Thank you for watching and wish you good day.